Okay, guys. So, like if you want to make money online, you need a great product and you need a great traffic. With this quick video, guys, I will share with you a great traffic source that you can use to promote any link you want. With this traffic, guys, you can promote your landing page, your ClickBank affiliate link. You can promote your Warrior Plus affiliate link and any affiliate link you want to promote. Okay, this is very important to get traffic to your link. And like without traffic, there is no commission and there is no money. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, so basically I don't know what you are promoting here right now, but I will share with you the best traffic source that you can use to promote your link, guaranteed very laser target traffic, and all traffic guys will be visible on Google Analytics. So I really recommend to use this traffic source to promote any link you wish to promote. Okay, so I will start with a bit advertiser. This is a very target traffic. You can choose a target country and target category traffic. This is a fantastic traffic to promote your affiliate link or your blog or any link you wish to promote. The second traffic, like you can see, traffic cache list. This is a great and very target traffic. Like you see, this is a 100% AdSense safe. Also, this is a safe affiliate network and affiliate programs traffic. So you can use this traffic source to promote your ClickBank affiliate link or any affiliate link you wish to promote. Also, you can see Turbo website traffic. This is a great traffic to promote your link, your blog. You can see here advertisers. You can visit our advertisers, and you can see here order. Sorry, so you can create your campaign, and of course all traffic visible in Google Analytics. Also, you can see safe traffic rotator. Don't worry, I will put all links below this video so you can visit all these traffic sources. Okay, so like you see safe traffic rotator, this is also a great traffic to get a very target traffic. You can get a target category and a target niche traffic to your link, and it's fantastic to promote your landing page and get unlimited leads daily. Okay, traffic Xeon. This is also a great traffic software, and you can download this software. This is a fully automated software. You can visit this website. This software is fantastic to promote your max bounty offers or any CPA offers like a Perfly or a Max Bounty or any CPA affiliate program, I really recommend to use this software. This is a fantastic program and fantastic program to get unlimited sign up to your Max Bounty or CPA offers. Okay, Traffic Ads Net. This is also a fantastic and great traffic source to promote your landing page. You can get unlimited leads and unlimited very target traffic to your affiliate link or your website. Great traffic also to rank your blog or your um, content online. So this is a great traffic to get to your link. Next, top traffic ads. This is also a great traffic, and I really recommend to use. This is very cheap, only 2 cents per visitors, and this is really very cheap traffic to get to your site. Okay, and the end is mass traffic monster. This is a fantastic software program to promote any affiliate link. You can get unlimited traffic. You can generate unlimited backlinks to your website. Also, you can use this software to rank and ping your site fast on Google and on any search engine. So this is a fantastic traffic, fantastic backlinks, and a great software to generate backlinks and to ping your website, your blog. This is a safe traffic, and I really recommend to use this fantastic software. Okay, so remember, this is very important to get real traffic to your link. And if you want to make money online, you need a great product, great landing page, and of course, you need a great traffic. So basically, this list, this is a fantastic list to promote your link and to get unlimited traffic and very target traffic to your link. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share this video. Uh, and if you have any question, please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to answer and help everyone with how to use this great traffic. And thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.